Now, TVJ Sports understands that the Sunshine Girls away series against England this month has once again been postponed after the team failed to get the requisite permission from the Jamaican government to travel to the UK. Jamaica is among a number of countries who have placed a travel ban on the UK, which is currently under lockdown following the discovery of a new variant of the coronavirus in that country, which is said to be as much as 70% more transmissible than previously discovered versions. Jamaica had placed an initial 14-day travel ban on the UK, which was set to expire on Monday, January 4, 2 days before the Sunshine Girls were scheduled to depart for England. But the travel ban on flights coming into Jamaica from the UK has been extended to January 31, 3 days after the Sunshine Girls were due to return home. The four-match series was rescheduled to January 22, 24, 26, and 28 at the Copper Box Arena in London. Originally, the away series between the fourth-ranked Sunshine Girls and the third-ranked England was set for December 1 to 6, but was pushed back because of logistical reasons associated with lockdown measures in England. It's understood Netball Jamaica and Netball England are working to once again reschedule the tour. The Sunshine Girls were hoping to inch ahead of England in the world rankings with a 3-1 or 4-0 series win. This series would have been the Sunshine Girls' first since January 2020, when they featured in a quad series against England, New Zealand and South Africa.